With traditional marketing communications, businesses use a number of different channels such as social media and magazine ads to convey one message. Hybrid marketing, on the other hand, is an approach to promote a message through multiple strategies that work together to reinforce one another. This approach personalizes the message at every stage of your customer acquisition, like awareness, consideration, purchase, or retention. The advantage is that your communications are progressively moving someone closer to making a purchase. This approach has been proven to be successful time and time again, resulting in growth and profit. In today's market, you need to be unique and innovative in your approach. Make sure to personalize your message to each stage of your client's journey and you'll be able to reach more people. I'm Pooja Misra and you're watching Brand Bites for Business Owners.